Now next question number 5. Two APs are given 9, 7, 5 dot 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 and 24, 21, 18 dot dot dot. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. Okay, follow the question. There are two APs and from both the APs nth term are equal, and then we have to find out n and nth term. Okay, so we will solve this question. First we will take the first AP. We will write here first AP. First AP is given 9, 7, 5 dot 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 up to infinite. Okay, we will write the values of A 9, then D equal to second term minus first term is 7 minus 9. Okay, 7 minus 9 we will get minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. Okay, now n we don't know, so we have to first find out nth term. So we have to use Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. Therefore, Tn is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 2. Therefore, Tn is equal to 9. We have to multiply this bracket by minus 2. So n into minus 2 we will get minus 2n. Then this minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. Okay, now then we have to do this 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 11. Therefore Tn is equal to 11 minus 2n. This is the nth term of first AP. This is the nth term of first AP. Okay, now we will take second AP. So second AP is given 24, 21, 18 and up to infinite. So from this AP we will get A is equal to 24, D is equal to second term minus first term, 21 minus 24. So 21 minus 24 we will get minus 3. Now we will find out nth term of this AP. So again we have to use Tn formula. Okay, so Tn is equal to A from this AP is 24 plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 3. Follow this step. Okay, therefore Tn is equal to 24. Now this plus into minus minus 3 into n 3n minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3. Now 24 plus 3 27. So here therefore Tn is equal to 24 plus 3 27. 27 minus 3n. So this is the nth term of second AP. Nth term of first AP is 11 minus 2n and nth term of second AP is 27 minus 3n. And here they gave nth term of both the progressions are equal. nth term of both the AP are equal. So nth term of first AP is 11 minus 2n. Therefore 11 minus 2n is equal to nth term of second AP 27 minus 3n. We will take this minus 3n on left side and 11 on right hand side. So we will get 3n minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 11. 3n minus 2n is equal to n. And 27 minus 11. 7 minus 1, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So n is equal to 16. So we got the answer of first question. The value of n is 16. Now we have to find out nth term. As we know that the nth term of both the AP is equal, so we can take any one formula of nth term and then we can substitute value of n. So Tn is equal to 11 minus 2n. So n is equal to 16. 11 minus 2 into 16. 11 minus 16 2s are 32. So 11 minus 32. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. And 32 is greater, it is having minus sign. So here we will have minus sign. So nth term is minus 21. So this way we got both the answers. So we will write the answer according to the question. Therefore, the value of n is 16 and nth term is minus 21. This way we got both the answers. Now next question number 9. Divide 207 in 3 parts such that all parts are in AP and product of 2 smaller parts will be 4623. Okay, so here we have to divide 207 in 3 parts and all these 3 parts are in AP. So previously we solved this in practice set, this type of question, the particular terms in AP. So here we required 3 terms in AP such that their addition is 207 because these are the parts of 207. And we studied if 3 parts or 3 terms in AP we require. We assume that 3 terms A minus D, A and A plus D. So we will assume these are the 3 parts of 207. Okay. So we will start the solution. Let A minus D, A plus D are 3 parts of 207. Okay. Now these are the parts of these 207. That means the sum of these 3 parts is 207. Okay. Therefore, we will get the equation A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 207. Now this is algebraic expressions. According to that, D, these are like terms having plus and minus sign. So they get cancelled and their addition we will get A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. So 3A is equal to 207 Therefore, A is equal to 207 divided by 3. Therefore, A is equal to, first we will divide 20 by 3. 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 we will get 2. Then carry this 7. We will get 3 9 are 27. So, A is equal to 69. Okay. Now, second condition is given. Product of two smaller parts will be 4623. Product of two smaller parts is 4623. Now we know the three parts of 207, A minus D, A and A plus D. So which are the smaller parts? A minus D and A. And their product is 4623. So we will get here equation. Therefore, A minus D into A is equal to 4623. Now here we will substitute value of A, which we got 69. Therefore, 69 minus D into 69 is equal to 4623. Therefore, 69 minus D is equal to 4623 divided by 69. This 69 is multiplied here. When we will take on this other side, it gets divided. Therefore, 69 minus D, if you divide 4623 by 69, we will get answer 67. Okay. Now we will take this minus D on this side and 67 on this side. So we will get the value of D. Here we will write. Therefore, minus D we will take on this side. So here we will get 69 minus 67 is equal to D. Therefore, 69 minus 67, 2. Therefore, D equal to we got 2. So we got the value of A 69, D 2. From these values we will find out three parts of 207. First part is A minus D. Therefore, A minus D is equal to 69 minus 2. 69 minus 2 is equal to 67. This is first part. Second part is A, which is equal to 69. And third part is A plus D. So 69 plus 2, which is equal to 71. Understood? That means 67, 69 and 71. These are three parts of 207. Therefore, three parts of 207 are 67, 69 and 71. Followed?